really think music theory is taught from a backwards perspective. So when we're given music theory, we're just given the staff and we're given one note, middle C, and then from there we learn how to read 2 notes on the staff, and then we learn how to read 3 notes on the staff, and then we learn how to play a song with 2 hands in this middle C position, and then we might learn how to play in G position, and then we learn how to play in D. And then from that point, we've taken a couple years of piano, and we haven't decided if we really want to move on or if we want to stop taking. So what it needs to change. We need to back up and see the whole piano for what it is. We can play all of these notes. Our notes duplicate C, 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 C. We're going to see that music is divided in terms of patterns. So we just need to start learning the patterns. We need to learn the chords first, the 12 major chords, the C, G, D, A, E, B. We need to just learn the harmonies of music and how to play chord progressions and how to use those chord progressions to understand our scales. So I think it's all taught backwards. I think too much is based on memory and tedious work, and not enough is based on the fun enjoyment of improv and understanding music as a whole. The pinnacle moment in music theory and in music teaching that a student will reach is when they learn and grasp and fully understand the circle of fifths. That is the driving factor for a successful musician, in my opinion. Because if you understand the circle of fifths, you can go anywhere and play a song in any key. If you don't understand that, you're going to be pinned to just trying to figure out what you can do in terms of reading your sheet music. If you understand how and why the circle of fifths works, it'll allow you to just play whatever you want. So I think music theory needs to back up and teach from an entire perspective of here's our 12 keys, our 12 major keys, and then from there, break it down into why we're playing in this key, why we're playing in that key, and then break down all of the other aspects of music theory. It's totally taught backwards. It really needs to be taught from a holistic perspective, simple, broad overview, and then narrow it down per key.